Hi, welcome to my video. I'm the Tech Boy and I will be doing another build tour for you. This time it is build 18290 of Windows 10 19H1 version 903. 1903. This is a nice build again. Once again, some very little issues. I mean, this is another really stable build. It looks pretty nice. Light theme, about the same. But we have some changes in this build. So if we go in the power menu, we now have new icons, and it actually does have acrylic material, but I can't show you because this does not have acrylic material. But it's kind of like the menus here now. Microphone, it now shows what's using the microphone. I cannot show you right now because the video is open, so it just says two apps, but one of them is speech executable runtime, which seems to always be there listening to me. I'm not sure, it's a little bit creepy, but whatever it is, it's obviously got to do it. It also tells me that my screen recorder is, so that's nice. It knows what's using my microphone. It's a stable build, but it still has this issue with File Explorer. When I close File Explorer, it will it will still show it in Task Manager, one of them with 0 CPU being used, so I have to end it. Another really bad bug, at least for me, is that when I start a VM in VMware Workstation, it will give me a green screen about a security kernel check failure, blah blah blah. So every time I try to run a VM, I know it's a known issue it gives GSODs, but they do need to fix that. That apps will give that. Because it does bother me as I use VMware. The previous build had the issue with VMware Bridge Protocol, and that seems to be fixed because now my VMware Bridge Protocol works, but now I can't start the VMs because I get a GSOD. So there is some serious issues with VMware going on. Hopefully next build all of them will be fixed. I know people get the same couple GSOD messages about Win32K, and that's what mine was. It just had an error code message when they run games too, so it's different apps. If I show you, it's 290. You can see on their blog post it actually says in here that we have, there it is, insiders make a green screen, system serves exception while interacting with games and apps. That's what I'm getting with VMware, and it's very, very annoying. It doesn't reappear when I restart, so my computer isn't damaged. It just I can't start my VM without it doing that. I would lose all my work. So builds are expiring soon, so you gotta update to this latest one. I did, and my expiration date is very far ahead now. It's July 2019, next year. I was having issues with Acronis True Image on my backup program. I don't know if anybody else was having these issues, but I'm not anymore. So I'll show you. I want to make sure Explorer, nope, good. Just want to show you that Acronis works now. And it's getting a bit laggy, I'm thinking because of my video program, but you know. So let me show you. I'm just going to show you Acronis True Image to show you that it works now. Previously, it would be, it wouldn't start. It just kind of froze on this screen right here, but it actually starts now after a while. So just watch. I'm backing up to my iCloud device, which is on the network. So I'm not sure if that was at fault, like something wrong with the network, or it was just an incompatibility with the app, or which I thought. But I think it's working now, and I still think, there we go. So I guess, yeah, it backed up yesterday at night, so that's good. And the next backup is 4th of December in 3 days. So it's working. Everything seems to be working now. If I check build feed, build feed was being very strange. It wasn't showing that 18282 was the latest build. It was showing that 18277 was the latest build. And that's weird too. It does that every time I open build feed now. But now it is showing that 18290 is the latest build. Just for some reason skip that. I was expecting the latest build to be 18287 because they seem to be following the 282 or the 2 something 2 2 something 7. Like they were doing 242, 27, 247, 232, 252, 257, 262, 267, 272, 277, and they did 282, so I expected a 287, but Xbox got it, but we didn't get it. So also, I don't think this came out on the 21st of November. I mean, that was the Thanksgiving week. It came out later than that because they skipped the week. I'm not sure what exactly happened, but I do think this is, besides those issues, I do think that this is a pretty stable build. I was also having some edge issues, but it seems to be working now. Pretty nice. If you look, you can really see the acrylic blur really nicely. If you open Calculator and make it full screen, and it kind of goes nice with the taskbar's light theme. Look at that, isn't that nice? Yeah, well, that's not going to show, but you have the whole light theme. You have the, and it goes across the whole thing. You can even make it, well, no, that makes it like that, but it's really nice. I like it like that. You know another app that has a really nice acrylic blur? Voice recorder. Looks nice, doesn't it? We have lots of different apps that work nicely with the light theme. I really like that. Light theme is still a very welcome change for me. I think this has a little error here. Yeah, my link calendar got an error. I find that oftentimes it won't work at all, but oftentimes I'm able to click that X and it's going to freeze, I think. So I guess got to close the app and reopen it, and then start the whole update again, not that one, but all of the updates. And then it seems to work correctly. So, get updates, this is what I usually do. And then it'll do all the updates and finish them. Once though, this didn't even work, and I just had to wait a day and it worked. See, it's not even, there's not even anything new. I don't know what exactly happened with the mail-in calendar, but I think mail-in calendar is okay. Oh man, the bug with mail-in calendar, the bug with mail, where it shows that one notification. It's been there for months now. It still isn't fixed. Still isn't fixed. It's really crazy that that bug that's been there for so long just doesn't fix. It really is. It just doesn't fix. Just doesn't ever seem to fix. I mean, how long has that been? Has that been like, I guess, like creators update maybe that's been there? I mean, nasty bug, old. You just gotta really wait for it to fix itself. It's highly annoying. I think they've been doing some changes to Office Online. Let me just show you the home version to begin with. Did you hear about the new Office icons though? Before I go into this, there's new Office icons. Look really nice, and they're part of a bigger design overhaul. And oh no, there's always a criticism about all these nice things. Why does everyone have to be so nasty? Just why? Oh, the blue. It does it does look nicer with the yellow, it's true. But I don't know. I kinda like the blue too. It is bad, but I love these new icons still though. And if you look at one of these posts somewhere, it says that Windows has them too, which again, with these criticisms, it's so annoying. I hate when people criticize these beautiful designs. It drives me crazy. But there's one that shows that the Office icons are they're present in Windows too. If we take a look, they're not just Office. I mean, I saw it. Oh my god. There we go. Here it is. See, new icons in Windows too. So with these Office icons, they're really cool, these new icons for Windows. And that would be really nice. Intel and modern drivers. Let me show you some changes to Office though. Happened over the last couple months. They've been tweaking Office Online, and that's pretty cool. Outlook, of course, got that redesign a while ago and has some new features like insert and stuff. OneDrive looks about the same. They really have been neglecting to update OneDrive though. Word Online looks new. So this has been like a month and a half ago, 2 months ago this happened originally, but it's really nice. It's kind of like the desktop Word look. It looks really cool. I mean, I like this design a lot. Excel has been neglected, kind of like some other apps. They really do neglect to update Excel. They recently changed these fonts. They used to be uppercase, now they're lowercase, but they still haven't added a new ribbon for Excel, which is not good. PowerPoint, I think, now has the uppercase. They switched Excel and PowerPoint instead of making them both with the lowercase, so now PowerPoint's, oh no, I was wrong. PowerPoint has the new ribbon now. So they're all over the place. OneNote, the home page of OneNote, this area right here looks so bad. It's awful design, even up there, and old thing here, and this. Oh my god, the OneNote online is awful. But if we go here, I think there's a sticky note. Actually, I showed that last time. Calendar still says Outlook Beta on it, and very weird. Also, if you go to Outlook.com, there's a weird little tweak you can do. Watch this. If we go right here, okay. Now after Outlook.live.com, instead of doing two tweaks, instead of doing mail, we do /OWA, Outlook Web App, and then /inbox. Oh, not inbox, I'm sorry. /OA /path equals /OA. Watch this. This is the old Outlook mail without doing any sort of on beta. We could even try the beta, and that'll lead us to the new again. And now let's click that, and it'll lead us right back to this. And we can also do /OA and then /layout equals light, and that leads us to the even older one. So that's crazy. And then /OA /layout premium will lead us back to mail, and /OA path OA. Well, now it does this, and now we have to do, I don't know, I think OA path OA, maybe. I haven't tried this, but layout premium. Nope. So I think we just gotta close the browser and stuff, but you know what I mean. It's just a mail. The /mail is the new one. So they still have all the old Exchange remnants in here, and I actually think that's pretty cool. Another thing that's changed is the Business Office 365 version. It looks very different. I'm going to show you that. So if I go to switch to a different account, I'm just going to do my test business account. It might have expired, but if it hasn't, I'm going to show you that. So Office 365 trial. I don't think it expired yet. No, good. So look at this new design. So it has this top. As you can see, it's buggy. It cannot stop reloading, but there you go. It's this top that's now like a beigeish color with the orange. It looks different up there. Different design here. It's really cool. Outlook. This is still not updated, even though they're saying it is, but I don't know when they're going to update it exactly. But right here, thought that there was a new one, but maybe it's /mail. No, could be mail /inbox. Nope. Okay. But that's cool. And we have, not sure if Excel's been changed. Yeah, same design here. But as you can see, they are making some and that's not even the new ribbon, but you can see they are making some changes. So that's nice. My video is getting long, so I'm gonna go. So